Good day guys out there, it's Olusola at ABC the studio. You're welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I just want to talk about the Eddie Van Halen riff that he played on Beat It by Michael Jackson. So I just want to do the big breakdown. So everything originally was played on the key of F sharp, that is, the string has been tuned down, the semitone. So instead of me tuning down my string, I still maintain the normal standard tuning. So I'm playing it on the key of G instead. So I'm using the open G to play my riff. So the riff is made up of pentatonic at first. The first part was this. So open string at E. Now let me play it up to speed. Then I open D. Now all together slowly. So that's the first part of the lick. So the second part goes like this. It's like a double stop idea this time around. So we have just a bunch of triads included with double stop this place, and I was playing my fifth and the key of G, which is my D, together with my G. It's like then for the next note, then I want to play my triad here in the root position and second version. So I go again. So from the beginning, all together. So that's just the riff that you have in the music. Watch the next episode for the solo that Eddie Van Halen did. See you next time, guys. I would like you to click the subscribe button once again, so as for you not to miss any of my video updates. Do what to put on your notification bell. See you later.